Well, what's going on, YouTube? Man, I tell you what, I'm sick and tired of this cold weather. Chilly, windy. Brought the ponies in, or horses in. I call them ponies, but whatever. Gave them a treat. Gave them some feed. They've been outside. Got Miss Rose here. Yeah, she's got messy nose from eating. How you doing? You gonna say hi? How are you? The door just slammed from the wind. That's Breeze. This is Breeze. You say hi? Miss Rose over here, she's still chowing down. Aren't you, girl? You say hi? Anyway, I'm sick and tired of this chilly weather and the rain and the wind. The wind blew like, I don't know, 40 mile an hour yesterday. I had to come out and cover up the hay again because it blew my tarp off. But just to let you know, I am watching a storage unit. It's got a few days left on it. It's a mini storage unit. It's like a little locker. I think it's about, the door on it's probably 2.5 foot tall by 2.5 foot wide. And it's got a bunch of boxes in it that's taped up. That's all you can see. So figured I'd take a little gamble on it. You never know. But I did notice I do have 13 subscribers now. And I am really wanting to get rid of that unlucky number 13. So, if you're watching this, hit that thumbs up button right down below, and then hit that subscribe and the bell notification so when I post another video, I'd really appreciate it, because I don't like the unlucky number 13. I will be, when the weather warms up, I'll be posting some more riding videos, and I plan on doing some overnight camping trips maybe on the bike. For those of you that haven't seen my previous riding videos, that was a 2018 Road Glide. Now in 2 years, I put 20,000 miles on that bike. Awesome time. And last year I got a wild hare and traded it in for a 2020 Road Glide Limited with the 114 in it. There she is. And she needs a bath. That's why I'm wanting that weather to warm up. It's got the tour pack on the back. Hard bags. Got the speakers. I put the cup holders on it. Right there. So, anyway, I really do like it. I like riding it back and forth to work. But that's my plan. I am planning a trip this summer in August, and there will be some videos posted on that. I'll just kind of keep it a little secret. I'm going to have 12 days of riding. Yeah, part of it will be going up to South Dakota. So anyway, I want to thank you all for subscribing. And let's hope for some warmer weather. Good grief, I'm sick and tired of this. Mother Nature will just not let go of the winter. But the grass is turning green and it's starting to grow. I feel sorry for them people out there. And gosh, I saw a news clip, old Cheyenne, Wyoming out there, just getting hammered with snow. You ready to go back outside, girl? Come on. These two are buddy sour. She'll start pawing the ground here in a second, wanting out with her buddy, I think. But yeah, she's ready to go. Yep. You ready to go? Huh? She is a tank. Rode a lot of miles on that girl. Trail riding. Man, that's just chilly. Well, like I said, if y'all share my videos, I appreciate it. Stay warm, stay out of trouble, stay dry, be safe. That's about all I got today. So, I appreciate it. We'll talk to you later.